Vrikshasana, tree pose. So Vrikshasana is very important to improve your focus, concentration level. You have to see that you are going to focus at your eye level and then we are going to perform it. So let's do it. So first from your right side, so take your right leg up and place your right foot exactly at your inner thigh, and you can place your arms up, stretching up in Namaste position. Breathe normally, keep focusing. We have to perform for 10 to 15 seconds initially, and then we can gradually progress towards 30 seconds. Slowly, arms down, leg down. Let's do it on left hand side. Breathe normally, don't hold your breath. Down.